Zombie apocalypse.
Beebird Ear Clean Smart Visual Ear Clean Rod C3. Use the video. Scan QR code and install correct version numbers connected and confirm whether app is downloaded correctly. Refuse to be connected Wi-Fi. There are other mobile devices around connecting the Wi-Fi and reconnect when the machine is shut down and restarted. Black screen, crashed screen. Download app, reinstall, and try again. Blur lens appears after it is used for a period. Clean the lens with alcohol swabs. It cannot be charged. Change the data cable and try whether it is normal or not. Beebird Ear Clean. Promote the universal smart ear cleaning era.